Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya and I'm a travel vlogger. Today I am back with one more interesting product review. Today I'm going to unbox and review the world's smallest wireless microphone. So guys, as a content creator, I'm constantly trying to upgrade my gear because I want more efficient, lighter and a smarter gear for my vlogging. And when I was looking for a wireless microphone, that is when I found this new Rode Wireless Go mic, and I cannot wait to unbox this and show you how it looks, and also I want to review it, how this works. So this is the box and I'm going to unbox it. So the moment I open this, I could see the quick user manual on both sides, and then when I pull it, so look how small these two are. So one is the transmitter and one is the receiver, and then you have two USB Type-C cables to charge both of them simultaneously, and then the user manual and the connecting cable. So one goes in the camera, the other goes in the receiver, and two windshields or dead cats you can call, and this protective pouch, so it's good for traveling. So this is what we have in the box. So now I'm going to take them out from this. So the first impression on this are they're really nicely made, like, you know, the look and feel of it is very good. They're very compact, very light, and they have this clips. So this one clip goes on the camera shoe and the other one goes onto your dress. So you can either keep it like this or you can keep it like this. And the best part of this is, so the transmitter comes with an inbuilt mic. So usually when you see a wireless mic, you will have a huge transmitter and people usually tuck it at the back of their denim or the dress, and then they have a lapel mic running through the body. But with this you do not have to have this because it has an inbuilt mic. And in extreme windy situations where you do not want a lot of wind disturbance, so that is when they give you this dead cat that you can put it on it and you can plug it. However, if you still think that this is big, you can also buy a third-party lapel mic and you can connect it because it has an inbuilt port. So now I'm going to test these things, and let's see. I want to switch them on and see how they work. I think they might have a little bit of battery. So the battery life of this is promised by Rode is 6 hours for these, and yeah, so they do have a little bit of charging. Okay, so this is how they look when they're on. And on the receiver, the best part is you can see that your transmitter is connected, and you can see how much battery each one has, that the receiver's battery percentage and the transmitter battery percentage. And you also have a volume control, so in case if you want to adjust the volume of your mic, you can do it. So it has 3 variations, and it also tells you if it is working. See, because it's on and they both are linked, so when I'm speaking you can actually see there is a reading which shows about my pitch, so that means they both are working. And so now next thing is I have to go and test them in the live conditions, so stay tuned for it. So guys, this is sound test 1, and presently I am recording this with an inbuilt microphone from my camera, and I have not connected any external microphone. So the next sound test would be when I connect the Rode Wireless Go to my camera. So guys, this is sound test 2, and now I've connected the Wireless Go to my camera and I'm recording with the Wireless Go, and this has an inbuilt microphone, so you do not need any external lavalier mic. So either you can pin it to your clothes in this way, or you can pin it to your clothes in this way. So it's relatively small, and let me know what you think of the sound. And the next sound testing would be I'll be connecting this lapel mic to the Wireless Go, and then I'll show you the difference of the sound. So guys, this is sound test 3, and I've connected the lavalier mic to the Rode Wireless Go, and let me know what you think of the audio quality. And also there's one catch: if you want to use any lavalier mic with Rode, the Rode only accepts TRS jack. So most of the lavalier mics comes with TRRS jack, so you just need to buy an adapter which converts TRRS to TRS, and then you're good to go. So guys, this is sound test 4 and I've come outdoor to shoot this footage because I really want to test the range of this wireless Go. So I am walking far from the camera. In fact, I have come to a forest here to do this testing. You have an amazing view. It's beautiful around here. It's all greenery, but I'm also very scared for elephants here because there is elephant menace, and you know, they might come anytime and attack. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm walking really far from the camera. So this is a very good feature for somebody who does travel vlogs, and most of the vloggers can relate to this. That what is importance of if you have a very good wireless microphone with a good range. So I will only know the quality of it once I download it, the footage. And also the one important thing, if I turn back, I'm not sure it will catch the signal because it should not have any disruption of range. So I'm not sure if you could hear my previous conversation. So I think I'm almost reached meters, and I think this is a good range to test. So I'm walking back to the camera and I will come back with my summary of what I felt about this Rode Wireless Go. So guys, this is my experience with the Rode Wireless Go, and I'm really happy with it. And in fact, this is the best purchase that I have made in the recent times, and it's a good value for money. Though the price is on the higher side, but you need to consider a lot other factors. For example, this is very small, compact. It's not like a big shotgun mic which sits on the camera, and you know, it's easy to carry. It's very light, and I love the range of it. If you've seen my previous footage, it is very good for somebody who does outdoor vlogging. And the battery life, it is 6 hours is a lot for a wireless mic. So yeah, overall it's a good purchase, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please ask me any questions if you have, and I'm really prompt of answering them. And also I am doing a lot of tech reviews on upgrading the vlogging gear, and please subscribe to my channel to catch up on the latest updates on vlogging gear products. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You have a nice day.